Okay. Is that better? Yeah? Is that okay? You're all right now? Okay. Do you want to go for a crawl? Okay, come to Mama. Come on. Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going? Are you going for trouble? Yes? Are you going to get in trouble? What's your favorite thing to do? Play in the cupboards? Do you like to play in the cupboards? Yeah? Here, let's fix your hair. Good. Do you want some lunch? Yeah? Lunchtime? Jessica. Jess, where are you? You say bye-bye? Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye.